The greatest common factor of 24 and x is 8. So 24 and some other number have a GCF of 8. How many possible values for x are greater than 10 and less than 70? First thing is, how many values? They're not asking for what the values are, they're asking for how many there are. I think the easiest way to do this is to write out all the factors of 8. All the multiples of 8, sorry. So 24, let's just write this, is 8 times 3. Okay? That means that any number that has a factor of 8 and its other factor is also a multiple of 3 will have a greater common factor than 8. For example, 24. 24 is going to have a greatest common factor of 24. So let's write out the multiples of 8 that fit into the category of being between 10 and 70. Okay, got to be between these numbers. First one, obviously not 8, 16. 16 is 8 times 2. 2 and 3 don't have a common factor. That means that's 1 in the win column. Next is 24. We know that's not going to work because the GCF between 24 and 24 is 24. Next is 32. 32 is 8 times 4. 3 and 4 don't have anything in common. There's another one in the win. 40. 40 is 8 times 5. 3 and 5, no relation. Another one. Don't get too excited. 48. I know that 48 is 24 times 2, but if you didn't know that, you could also look at the fact that it's 8 times 6 and notice that 6 and 3 are related. Therefore, this is going to have a higher GCF than 8. The GCF is going to end up being actually 24. So that's not a win. And next is 56. That's 8 times 7. 7 and 3, no relation. And the last one before we get past 70 is going to be 64. That's 8 times 8. And 8 and 3, no relation. Therefore, the number of values, remember, they're not asking for what the values are, the number of values that fit in those parameters is 5.